I'm out here at the lake on this gorgeous beach, and I look like a total jerk with this fancy hat and sunglasses on, but it's what I got it for, is the lake to keep the sun off my face. And I missed the boat, so I'm kind of sitting out here lounging on the golf cart, just enjoying the beach. Look at my self-tanner wearing off. I look like a calico cat. I can't decide if I need to keep trying to exfoliate it or apply more. It's horrible though. It's so nice out here. It feels like being on vacation. Everybody should have a spot like this they can go to. Although I am a little bit restless, I kind of wish I had a friend out here to share it with. I'm kind of feeling like I need to be going to the gym or working on something or doing something or editing a video. I just don't know how to sit still and relax, I guess. But it's beautiful out here, and that in itself is nice. I took a little stroll down the beach to a little tree growing area where there's a little bit going on back here, so I thought this area was kind of pretty, and I wanted to share that with you as well, especially that over there. Thought it was kind of cool. And I'm rocking my new hat that I got from Sam Moon's, really cheap, and it's a little bit too big for me, but I don't care. I'm just wearing it to keep the sun off my face, and I thought it was cute, so beach fashion for you guys. Yeah. I don't really have anything to say. I just wanted to show you the beach and the lake, and it's a really nice spot. It's pretty. Oh, what do we have here? Deer track. I wasn't lying when I said we had deer out here. There's your proof. There's just enough of a breeze to make my bony little butt a little chilly. But I don't care. It's a good place to be. The weather's actually really perfect. I don't even think it got above 80 degrees. For you people up north, that's really hot, but for us down here in the south, it's a really nice day. Got some clouds, can you see that? So pretty. Who wouldn't want to be here? Ooh, this water is cold. I'm gonna get used to it. I'm gonna make it through here and not find a snake, right? Not find a snake? Not find a snake? Trying to make it to the other side. Ooh, that's warm. Why is that warm? It's supposed to be. I'm gonna go this way. I don't think I'm gonna make it across here. I thought this was gonna be really shallow. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. It keeps getting deeper. I'm already almost up to my knees, and I'm not even at the deep part. Okay, I'm going back the other way. It got really deep really fast there, and I didn't want to get my clothes wet because I didn't bring a whole lot this trip. Look at that anaconda. I have a friend. Lady. Let's take a selfie. Don't ask, don't tell. This back here is what we like to call the bra and panty tree. We're out here deep in the trails at the lake on the golf cart, and I thought y'all just needed to see that little secret place we got out here. Kind of fun. Yee-hoo, yee-yee.